Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you an update on how it went changing my rotation from a 4-point rotation to a 2-point rotation. If you watched my 3 years locked update, I said that I wanted to try out the 2-point rotation to see if it was easier, if it was faster, if I liked the way my locks looked with that rotation. In today's video, I'm going to be taking out my curls and also chatting with you about how the 2-point rotation went. So let's get into the video. To start, let's get into the pros. In case you're wondering, I use soft rollers to curl my hair. I just put it in the middle, wrapped it around, and rolled it up the rest of the way. That's it, just for a simple curl. The pros of the 2-point rotation is that it was so much faster to retie all of my hair. Typically with the 4-point rotation, my reties take anywhere from 3 to 5 days to complete. With the 2-point rotation, it took 3 days. And I didn't time it in terms of hours, which I probably should have done, but I definitely saw that I got halfway through my hair much faster than with the 4-point rotation. And I think that's simply because of how easy the 2-point rotation is. Because you only have 2 entry points, it makes sense that you're gonna finish it makes sense that you're gonna do a full rotation faster than you would with 4 entry points and 4 exit points. So in that sense, I love the 2-point rotation because it literally took 3 days to complete. For me, that's good. Another pro is that it's really easy to do the 2-point rotation. It's really straightforward. You're literally just going in north to south and then going in from east and going out to the west, and you just repeat it. With the 4-point rotation, there are way more entry points, and that can be confusing for some people to start out with. It can be confusing to learn that rotation on your own. It's definitely possible, but I know that a lot of people do the 2-point rotation because they're retying their hair themselves, and they find that the 2-point rotation is a lot easier to do, which it is. So top pros for 2-point rotation is that it's faster and it's easier to do. Now let's get into the cons. There are a lot more cons for me with the 2-point rotation than with the 4-point. In my opinion, my parts didn't look as clean when I finished the retie. And I think that has to do with the fact that you can visibly see the Y shape that your parts form with the 2-point rotation, and that's a normal aspect of the 2-point rotation, but I personally don't like that look. I actually prefer the more finished look that you get after completing one rotation with a 4-point rotation, because it's such a neat braided look. I don't like the look of, I don't like when I can see that Y shape. Another thing is, once you do a 2-point rotation, for your next rotation, you have to look and see where your Y is. So you can't just go in and start your rotation at any point. You have to continue off where you left off with your previous rotation. For me, in order to remember where I left off, I finished my rotation with the 2-point rotation going from north down to south. And that goes for any direction. So if it's at the back, I went in from the north into the south, then I'm done. If it's at the front, okay, hold on, my brain just melted. So whatever direction your hair naturally flows in, that's the direction that I ended on. So at the front, it's technically east to west. And then at the back, I went from north to south so that everything is laying flat and flush against my scalp. I've also seen people who do the 2-point, they have to look and see and make sure that they're doing the right rotation. With the 4-point rotation, you don't have to do that. In my opinion, and I know that this is actually probably what contributes to the fluffier lock look, is that after my retie, the part that I just retied doesn't look as defined. It's a lot looser, a little bit more frizzy, but it's like, duh, that's the whole point of a 2-point rotation. And there's more room for your hair to expand. I realized that I really don't like that look. But I am happy that I tried it. I definitely like the more compact look that a 4-point rotation gives you. So as you can tell by my pros and cons list, I definitely prefer the 4-point rotation. So I will be going back to my 4-point rotation for my next retie. I'm not going to continue to experiment with the 2-point rotation because essentially I don't want my locks to change from how they already are. I'm happy with how they are. And now that I tried it out, it's like, it's really confirmed for me that I do love the neat, more compact look versus the fluffy look. And before anyone recommends the 3-point rotation, to me, the 3-point rotation is the most confusing of them all. And I don't think there's gonna be a crazy difference between a 3-point and a 4-point. The 4-point makes more sense to me because you're going in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. So I'm going to go back to my 4-point rotation. I'm not going to experiment or try out the 3-point. So if anything, it was between the 4 and the 2. The 3 was never a contender for me. But like I said, I'm sticking with the 4-point rotation. So the conclusion is that my tried and true rotation for me is my 4-point, but I am happy that I experimented with it and I saw what I liked about it and what I didn't like about it. And now I know for sure that I love the 4-point rotation. Comment down below, what is your go-to rotation? Do you use a rotation or do you do a retwist? Let me know in the comments down below. These curls are kind of random. I just wanted big fluffy curls, so I threw in some soft rollers because they're easier to sleep on and they create a lot of volume. I love these curls because they're so big, they're fluffy. I just love the volume that I get from soft rollers. So those are the curls. I kind of just threw these curls in. I wasn't super neat about it. Sometimes I do just like messy curls, so that's the vibe that these have, but it's just so bouncy and I love that. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Make sure to comment down below what your favorite rotation is, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye!